Hi, I'm Nate Martin from 99bitcoins.com, and here's what's happened this week in Bitcoin in 99 seconds. Binance, the largest exchange by volume, is launching a new trading platform specifically targeting U.S. customers in partnership with BAM Trading Services. The platform will be operated by BAM while using Binance's wallet and matching engine technologies. At the same time, Binance also altered its terms to state that it is, quote, unable to provide services to any U.S. person due to regulations. Beginning September 12th, U.S. users will no longer be able to trade on Binance.com. Coinbase is expanding crypto debit card service into Europe. Coinbase will now allow users in France, Germany, Ireland, Italy, the Netherlands, and Spain to spend from their Coinbase account at any location which accepts Visa. This service has been available to United Kingdom users for some time. The Financial Action Task Force, or FATF, is a collaboration between the USA, European Commission, China, and India. This body seeks to impose banking-style regulations on exchanges worldwide, requiring them to submit details of any client who trades in excess of $1,000. FATF also wants the identity of anyone receiving crypto. The group warned that countries which fail to comply would be blacklisted. And finally, the Financial Supervisory Authority of Iceland has approved Reykjavik-based Monerium to provide fiat payment services on a blockchain and use it throughout the European Economic Area. It's the first time electronic money has been approved for use over a blockchain. That's what's happened this week in Bitcoin. See you next week.